Big Tent Corinthians.
You could put that shit in parentheses.
Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. While we practice Kama Sutra.
I am so high, I might give me a star. Big 10-4, I got gas on my
Okay,
car.
Zaza, Waukesha, Kama Sutra. Plus we on a mission, we switching positions. This ain't nothing that you used to. You already know that I know.
So roll this cookie, you know I'm no rookie.
Plus it's not my fault that you mistook me. The way you was looking when I put it in crooked. Hey, you know I'm erotic while smoking exotic.
My daily diet, tea and broccoli.
Plus when I fuck it's karate. Something like Mortal Kombat.
Man, you gotta be more.
Every time I finish you, you seem to come back.
How?
Bed, kitchen, floor, couch. Man, we fucking all over the house. The whole time, didn't even put the blunt out. Not once.
Gon' roll up another one, you know we smoking on stupid runs. Yeah.
Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. While we practice Kama Sutra. Hey. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha.
Zaza, Waukesha, Kama Sutra.
Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. Come on. Zaza and Waukesha. While we practice Kama Sutra.
Zaza, Waukesha, Kama Sutra.
I hit this side bitch, went out for shots and shit. I was just poppin' shit, I was just poppin' it. Her ass with that side shit. Bad black bitch on demon time. She hit the Zara and said she wanna ride. She spit on my dick like she spit a 16. We fucked on the floor, she got a towel and wiped me clean. All I had was some green. Put me a 3 and a 20 on some Jordan shit. Laid back and she count me up. So irresponsible, I ain't wrap it up. Let me hit the Zara, I'm thinking too much.
Cherry spray, pour that shit in my cup.
A nigga called, but she ain't get no fuck. She want to walk in the Zabo going up.
Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. While we practice Kama Sutra. Hey. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha.
Zaza, Waukesha, Kama Sutra.
Zaza and Waukesha. Come on. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. Come on. Zaza and Waukesha. While we practice Kama Sutra.
Okay, since that's out the way, let's get back to the business. Zaza and that Wawa
Funny slush waiting on the car hop.
ran round the city trying to get it. Niggas looking at me, but they do not wanna get jiggy. I would burn them like my Palmer, like the Sig, just because I look like T.I. Nigga, you know I'm serious,
Matter of fact,
period.
put that in parentheses.
You niggas still pussy though, period.
Cause anyway, I'm faded off this walking Zoc. I ain't tryna hear this shit.
Zaza and Waukesha. Zaza and Waukesha. I am so high, I might give me a star. Zaza